All right, there's a goal for Coronado. Looks like it was number 22 that put it in. Jose Caco Olage for Coronado. Coronado up now 1-0 in this early part of the first half against Pebble Hills High. Good block by Coronado's goalie, Jorge Chavez. Jorge Chavez subbing in today as goalie. Good block against Pebble Hills.
Bien, 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 Roberto, bien. Lástima, bien, chavo, bien, bien, bien.
Jorge Chavez on the ball again for Coronado. Good block, another good block by Jorge Chavez, subbing today as goalie for Coronado. There you have it. Jorge Chavez putting on a great performance today. Whoa, another good block by Coronado's goalie, Jorge Chavez. Coronado leading 1-0. Oh, tie game. Pebble Hills ties the game with a score on a goal. 1-1 now, late in the second half. Pebble Hills in gray, Coronado in white. And that's the game, ending in a tie. Coronado in white 1, Pebble Hills 1.